The 2015 MotiveDVD SEMA Tour was a blast. 6 days in Vegas and 4 days in LA, checking out the best the car scene, nightlife and attractions have to offer, with plenty of VIP access along the way.
That's the shit!
With years of experience in the US, MotiveDVD is your guide, so you can maximise your trip, making sure you don't waste any time on unnecessary travel and boring stuff, so you can fill up every minute of the day with awesomeness. We also get discounts and upgrades for tour guests at all of our activities. Another nice little perk of the tour. So let's check out what we did in 2015 and what you can expect in 2016 MotiveDVD SEMA Tour. More information and entry forms are available on our website, MotiveDVD.com.
I'm amazing. We're in Vegas. Time to get it done.
The tour arrives in Las Vegas the Sunday before SEMA starts, and it's straight into it, heading to Las Vegas Motor Speedway for NHRA drag racing. It's wild stuff with round after round of door-to-door action. The pits are massive, and there is plenty to check out before it's time to cruise through Vegas and get a taste of what is to come, after some sleep to cure the jet lag. Monday morning and it's straight back to Las Vegas Motor Speedway, this time to visit our friends at Dream Racing. Located inside the NASCAR track, Dream Racing is exactly that. You get to race your dream cars. With a huge lineup, it's hard to choose, but their staff can even help you with that too. After a briefing and some time in the simulators, it's on track. Make no mistake, the cars aren't detuned, they are all the real deal, and you get to drive them flat out.
That was awesome.
Just absolutely mental.
Woo! Till next time!
Oh, yeah. Come on!
After Dream Racing, it was off to the range for another Vegas attraction, shooting automatic weapons. Our group not only gets a discount, but we got our own private room as well. Doing it in a big group leads to plenty of competition and fun.
Oh my god. Oh, you're joking! I didn't even know you did that!
You did that!
Oh my god, that's crazy!
Monday night was our own MotiveDVD party on the roof of the Palms Casino at Ghost Bar. It goes off, and to be honest, we can't really remember where we put the camera that night. For those who survived the previous night's party, Tuesday is the first day of SEMA, the world's biggest and best car show. We allocate Wednesday to the show as well, organising meet and greets with drivers and tuners along the way. But tour guests are free to check out whatever they like.
What's up, NHRA here, 2015 SEMA.
Wednesday night is another big one. First up, the Las Vegas round of the Red Bull Global Rallycross. Although it was raining, something which it seems to do about once every 10 years in Vegas from our count, it was still one of the most awesome events, and the atmosphere is crazy. After GRC, it was time to hit the Vegas Strip and off to another industry party.
We're at the Cosmopolitan, about to go to Marquee for the Gran Turismo party.
I think Brad's a little bit worse for wear after last night's party. Ashley apparently is a terrible friend for letting him drink too much.
No cameras tonight.
Thursday is a choose your own adventure day. However, we had something wild organised. A visit to the Vegas off-road experience to drive trophy trucks, shoot guns and blow shit up in the desert.
Awesome.
Can we not swear anymore?
Sorry, it was awesome. It was pretty fun. We're gonna blow some shit up.
Exploding zombie right there.
Bought an exploding zombie and doubled the explosives.
Friday is the last day of SEMA, and one of the highlights is watching all of the cars leave the venue in the afternoon. It's then off to the SEMA Ignite Party, an outdoor festival as such, that is also open to the public. Our favourite part was the Formula D drifting demos. Our last night in Vegas was spent in Fremont Street, checking out Old Vegas and the Fremont Street experience. From the world's biggest TV overhead to stages down below, it's pretty cool. But the must-do activity is the zip line overhead.
We're about to do a zip line over Old Vegas.
Are you excited?
Great, yeah. Shit, yeah.
No.
Saturday is our last day in Vegas, and we headed out to Las Vegas Motor Speedway once again. This time to check out the Optima Battery's Ultimate Streetcar event. Lots of the cars were on display at SEMA, so it was great to see some of the best cars from around the country in action. With that, our time in Vegas was over. We were sad to leave, but excited to check out the best Los Angeles had to offer.
That was awesome. Unbelievable experience.
Favourite car-related thing would have been driving the Lamborghini.
Favorite part's definitely off-road racing experience. Those trophy trucks were the best thing I've ever done.
Best non-car-related thing, I got two, probably shooting the AK in full auto and the zip line through the Vegas Strip was freaking awesome.
Non-related car thing was testing out the crash-related testing on the dashboard of this van with Frosty's head.
Yes, thank you. Let me hold that for you.
Yeah, you just hold that there, Frosty. Best.
Sorry.
the best car-related.
My bad.
The best car-related thing was probably that 458 at Dream Racing. But the trophy trucks were cool once you got the hang of sliding them around. Non-car related is pretty much just hanging out and the beeps and giggles that happen on the adventure.
So you got to check out the tour, it's awesome.
After checking in and a recovery sleep at the lavish and luxurious Hyatt Newport Beach, Sunday saw our first adventure as we went sightseeing, attempting to cram everything into one day. First stop, Beverly Hills. Our second stop was the famous Griffith Observatory. And then it was on to Hollywood. After that, it was Venice Beach for sunset.
I love Venice, man. This place is awesome.
And we finished the night at the Santa Monica Pier.
Bubblegum shrimp. But I just sat down. Bubblegum shrimp.
I'm so starstruck right now.
Hello, this is Fred, the Hammer Williamson.
Day 2 in LA, a well-deserved sleep-in before heading off to the Marconi Museum. Next, a pit stop for lunch.
Attempt 101.
That's what she said.
NOS. The high energy performance drink. Enhances mental focus and performance. Tastes nice too.
Then it was off to tuning shop SP Engineering. Apparently in America, you need 7 cop cars and a helicopter to pull over the VTEC.
Oh, he's on the ground.
What you gonna do?
They had him on the ground, cuffed and everything. They hate Hondas.
Tuesday is another workshop visit day. First stop, Gretty, USA. It was perfect timing as plenty of SEMA demo cars were at the HQ, enabling us to get a closer look. The best part, an exclusive close-up look at Sung Kang's Fugu Z that was built by Gretty and debuted at SEMA, that took out the Gran Turismo Award. The car is a work of art, and our tour got to look in, over and under the car in detail. Gretty's pro driver Ken Gucci, who finished second in the 2015 Formula Drift USA Championship, also came down to visit and hang out with the tour. Next stop, Bisimoto Engineering to visit our friend BC. He's been rather busy building a 900 horsepower EcoBoost new Mustang. A Porsche for Need for Speed, a turbo Porsche Cayman, and we got to check out his famous monster twin-turbo Porsche 911. Our last night in LA was spent catching up with our friends at D Sport magazine and taking a tour of their facility. Our final day in LA saw us hit Universal Studios, a must-visit while in Los Angeles.
That was awesome. That was great.
And that wrapped up the 2015 MotiveDVD SEMA Tour. The 2016 tour is now taking entries. You can get more information on this year's itinerary and pricing and download an entry form from our website, MotiveDVD.com. This year's is set to be a blast once again. But don't just take our word for it.
If you can afford to do the tour, do it. It's worth every cent.
If you can't afford to do the tour, do it. Like, just find the money.
Santa Monica Pier, that place is just cool. I love Venice Beach. The atmosphere down there is really cool.
Going to the global Rallycross, that was freaking awesome.
Santa Monica Pier, it's pretty cool.
Griffith Observatory, that was just an awesome thing to do.
It was truly a remarkable thing and one of probably the best things I will ever do in my life.
I don't know, I can't remember what else we really did. It's all a blur.
I fell in love and had my heart broken.
Where is she?
She's right here, mate. I'm just
Show me a proper picture.
Just rekindling the memories. There she is. See, some hot actress.
Shayla.
It's my love.
Pete, what was your favourite ride?
Other than watching him fall in love.